Hello everyone, welcome to Crystal's Creations and my first unboxing. I'm so excited that my box arrived. I was a little late ordering, but as you can see, I'm going right into it. Brambleberry is a great company that I use to order my materials for my soaps and scrubs. I'm not sponsored in any way, it's just a company that I've used for years. And here we go, I'm going to let you know what I picked up for my Valentine's Day crafts. Okay, first out of the box is Secret Garden. That's a new fragrance oil for me. I've never used that one before, but I'm excited to try it in a soap. Next, we have Dewy Rose, and I'm excited about that fragrance for Valentine's Day materials. So that'll be in lotion bars, scrubs, and soap. Next is Pink Peony. That is my absolute favorite fragrance oil from Brambleberry. And that is followed by Scotch Whiskey. That is really popular for men. I use that for a beard balm as well as a soap. As you can see here, I have rose petals, and that will go in one of my pink scrubs. Sometimes I do use colorant, and that is mica, as well as a couple of preservatives for scrubs. And finally, some cranberry seeds, which work really well as an exfoliant in the salt scrubs as well. I also decided to pick up a new mold for soap. I believe this one makes 4-ounce bars. This was my haul for today. If you are interested in any of the creations I make out of the products that I received today, visit me at contactcrystalscreations@gmail.com. Thanks for stopping in.